second episode of Activities for Kids, Tweens and Teens in Vientiane, we cover cooking activities. And for that, we visited Love Life Ice Cream Cafe, a cafe located on Pont-Savan Road, beside the Panyatip Kindergarten and just a few meters from the Vientiane International School. Love Life organizes food-related activities and summer camps, both in-house and outside. To learn more about these activities, we went and talked to the founder and also to the executive chef. Let's hear them explain us what they do.
Hello, I run Love Life Cafe in Vientiane. I have been in Laos for 8 years, but I come from the UK, though I grew up in France. And I teach English here and organize lots of arts activities for children here. My background, before I moved to Laos in Europe, I used to work as an art director in advertising, so my background is in design. Love Life started in 2011. We're actually going to turn 7 in July, so we might have a coming of age party. The idea started because I came to Laos in 2009 and it was so hot coming from Europe and there was no ice cream anywhere. But where is the ice cream? So I started a small ice cream cafe.
My name is Alvin. I'm the executive chef for Love Life. Well, basically what I do is that I'm in charge of all the food. I've been in the industry full-time for 8 years. I started out my career in Malaysia. I took a course it's called a diploma in culinary arts. It has always been my passion to cook, to be a chef. In that 8 years that I've been working, I've worked in many places that covers a lot of different kinds of food. Italian, a bit of British, a bit of Hungarian, a bit of, you can say everything, like sort of an international cuisine. So basically, like today we have a couple of activities, like apple monsters, which is slices of apple with peanut butter, and we try to make it look like a monster to make it more attractive for the kids to have the knowledge of what is the fruit that they use, what is this, and also healthy eating. In the cafe, we have many activities. Some of them is summer camp, winter camp, Easter egg hunt. So those are part of our big events. But sometimes also we do like when people have birthdays, when kids have birthday, we do activities like doing cupcakes, doing ice cream, or also we have external activities where kids go to dairy farms. They learn about the dairy, how it's produced, how the milk is taken and all that. And then they bring back the milk and they make the ice cream in our shop, and then they have the ice cream there together with all the other kids. Yeah.
So this year the summer camp is going to be from the 2nd of July to the 3rd of August. We run activities with a multilingual team. I speak English, French and Lao to the children. Some of the team speak in English, some of the team speak in Lao, some of the team speak in French. Our new chef speaks Chinese as well, so we had some little Chinese kids last year. We worked with other languages, but this year the chef can speak to them in Chinese. And yeah, so it's a mixture of languages all day during the activities. Same thing for workshops. If we run a workshop during the year, we'll adapt to the languages that the kids need. Usually we use at least 2 languages for a workshop, but it's whatever the kids need and use.
The cafe itself consists of 5 main areas. First, a small outdoor seating area by the entrance, shaded with an umbrella. The main indoor seating area comes next, with booth benches, lounge seats, as well as regular chair and table sets. It allows a lot of natural light in and has a view to the garden area outside. This garden area outside is the 3rd space and is covered with colorful umbrellas to provide shadow. Then follows a small outdoor playground area and the kitchen building where some of the cooking classes take place. The menu includes, among other dishes, pasta, salads, soups, sandwiches, and burgers. There is, of course, ice cream too. The cafe is open 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. from Sunday to Friday.